Welcome back to Essence of Wellness, where we believe that sometimes the best medicine doesn't come in a bottle. It's already sitting quietly in your spice rack. Today, we're talking about something tiny but mighty. Cloves. Yes, those little brown things you probably only use during Christmas or when your grandma makes spiced tea. But believe it or not, these tiny flower buds can do wonders for your body, your health, and even your mood. So grab a cup of warm clove tea and let's dive into 5 surprising benefits of drinking or chewing cloves daily. And yes, you might even giggle your way to better health. Let's start with the gut, because as we all know, when your tummy's happy, life is happy. Chewing 1 or 2 cloves after a meal can work magic for digestion. They help stimulate enzymes that break down food, reduce gas, and fight bloating. So, the next time you overdo it at lunch, skip the regret and reach for a clove instead. Your stomach will thank you, and maybe your coworkers too. Cloves are packed with antioxidants. Think of them as tiny superheroes flying around your body, fighting off bacteria, viruses, and inflammation. A warm cup of clove tea in the morning can give your immune system that extra shield of protection. It's like wearing invisible armor, but with a much better aroma. Okay, let's talk about that one friend who's always chewing gum. Well, you can one-up them with a clove. Chewing cloves naturally kills bacteria, freshens your breath, and helps with a toothache. It's nature's mouthwash, minus the sting and the weird aftertaste. Plus, if someone gets too close during a chat, they'll be like, "Wow, you smell like a health goddess." Here's a surprising one. Cloves may actually help balance blood sugar levels. They help your body use insulin more effectively, which means more stable energy and fewer sugar crashes. So while everyone else is reaching for their 3rd cup of coffee, you'll be cool, calm, and clove-powered. And finally, the benefit we all need, peace and relaxation. The warming scent of cloves helps calm your nerves, reduce stress, and can even help you drift off to sleep. So instead of counting sheep tonight, count cloves. 1, 2, 3. A cup of clove tea before bed might just become your new favorite ritual. So there you have it, 5 amazing benefits packed inside one tiny spice. Who knew something so small could do so much? Cloves really are proof that big power comes in small packages. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with a friend who loves natural remedies, and of course, subscribe to Essence of Wellness for more herbal health, beauty, and self-care inspiration. Until next time, remember, stay natural, stay radiant, and stay wonderfully you.